All right. So what we're doing today on the AtomStack Kraft is the Last Supper. Take a look here. This is gonna take around 5 hours. So we're about a quarter of the way through. Just to kind of show you the detail this is going. Let's just zoom in really quickly on this hand. Mind you, this is going through orange plexiglass. Look at the details. So you can see the veins and his hands. Absolutely insane. I'll be adding more and more to this video as the laser engraving is prolonging along, but obviously it's not going to be a 5 hour long video. But I'm super excited. Can't wait till it gets to the faces and be able to see how this looks. Just look at that detail, guys. Look at that shading. These illusion engravings you can do with this AtomStack Kraft are just absolutely amazing, and that's because of how fine the point of that laser head is. I just wanted to drop back so you can prove that this is the AtomStack Kraft. Here we go. Insane. The exciting part is coming. You can actually start to see faces. Wow, look at that detail. Look at that detail. Amazing. Just amazing. AtomStack Kraft. Bang this one out the park, man. The detail you can do with this laser is insane. Halfway done. Halfway done. It's getting exciting. AtomStack Kraft. Check it out. Let's look at that detail. Look at the detail on his hands. Look at that. Halfway done. It's a 5 hour job. It's coming out amazing. Super excited. Wow, a quarter left to go. Take a look at this. We'll zoom in. Look at that. Look at the detail. Wow. AtomStack Kraft. Where's she going? Almost done. Making progress. We're almost done. Let's take a peek. I'll go slow. AtomStack Kraft. Look at that detail. I can't wait to show you his eyes, not through this orange. It looks absolutely insane. Man, I'm amazed this is coming out. Definitely gonna have to build a custom frame around this. Almost done. Can't wait to open this up so you can see what it looks like. Or I can see what it looks like, no matter. right, it is finished. It is finished. Let's get this opened up. Man. Now, I can't touch it because I still got to cut the outside out, but check that out. Absolutely insane. Wow. Look at that. Wow. That is amazing detail. Amazing detail. Let's get it cut out so I can pick it up. Man, AtomStack. If you're not impressed by this, if you don't think this is amazing, man, you just, I don't know, man, you're just an internet troll. I don't know what to say. Because this is like, wow. I'm not tooting my own horn. I didn't create the artwork, and I didn't make the laser. I just put 2 and 2 together. But it just goes to show, man, quality creates quality. I will be making a custom frame for this though. So we'll be back. Let's get this cut out, and man, phenomenal. Cutting out the frame, cutting it out the excess wood because there is a little extra. I'm doing a couple extra passes than's actually required. Really, this AtomStack Kraft has the capability of cutting through it quite easily, but if you're using 1/4" material, there's string that goes across it. So you did one solid pass, that's fine, and then all of a sudden you get a string that goes across, and that string's there, and now you're trying to push it and break it. So I'd rather do more passes than I need. And if that one random little spot has a string that's going across it, and I happen to catch it, at least it's going to cut it. So wondering why I do more than one pass and think it's not needed with 1/4" material. That's actually why. So let me go ahead and get this cut out, and I'll pick it up so you can see it in my hand. I'm amazed, I'm amazed, I'm amazed. Man, I love this laser. One of my favorite lasers. So, you know, people said, hey, Rick, there's a lot more powerful lasers out there than this. This is not that impressive. And I have to tell you that, like, bigger is not always better. I do have more powerful lasers. I have a 40-watt laser, but there's a time and place for everything, right? So, yeah, amazing. All right. Cut it out. Time to lift it up. Ah, perfect though. Look at that. There we go. All right, moment of truth, guys. What do you guys think? I'm floored. I love this thing. I think it's amazing. So, AtomStack Kraft. AtomStack Kraft. Check that out. Check that out. The fine detail this laser can do is absolutely amazing. I'm blown away. Look at this. I'm zooming in, guys, so you guys can see the fine details. Like, this is insane. Look at this. It's absolutely insane. Let me know what you guys think. Be ready for another video. I will be making a custom frame and framing this inside of. And I will be also posting this for sale, so if you're interested in purchasing it, let me know. Again, super happy if you're considering purchasing the AtomStack Kraft. This really shouldn't be a hard sale. I also have another video with crucifix. If you haven't seen that, check that out as well. Absolutely insane. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. If you're watching this on Happy Friday, everybody. Yeah, happy Good Friday. I'm sorry, I should say. Man, look at that. Be ready for the next video with this actually in a frame. But even without a frame, just the way it sits, it's amazing. It's impressive. I love it. God bless, guys. Please do me a favor. Give me the comments below. Let me know what you think. And if you're not already a subscriber, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and a like. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Be back for plenty more AtomStack Kraft videos. Bye.